Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am just going to post a quick update today, just let people know how the portfolio is doing. It's been an ugly few days out there, and it's sometimes I know it's tough to look at your portfolio, but when I logged in this morning, we were up actually a little bit. And looked like we were going to be kind of recovering a little bit from the past few days, especially before the weekend. Not the case right now. So market is open right now. Not the greatest out there, but it's kind of a good, I think we'll be going through this for a while. It's kind of a good reminder just to stick with our plan. That's what we're doing. We're not making any rash decisions on the portfolio. Going to keep adding in and slowly dollar cost averaging into the positions that I do have. In fact, I did purchase a stock on Friday and as one of the ETFs. So we'll dive in. I'll show you the purchase that I did make, just that one share of the ETF, and we'll just show you how the portfolio is doing in general. Let's jump in. All right, here we are in the TFSA app. Let's just go scroll down. Haven't changed any of the positions of the portfolio, except I did do a purchase way down at the end here. One share of VFV, that's the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. We're down today, 92.74, but we did pick up one share. We'll just scroll down, way down. On August 26th, one share, 95.10. So we're bringing our average cost down, which is nice. This again, as all these holdings in my account are long-term, 5-10 years is the plan minimum. So we're not too worried about these fluctuations lately. But let's jump in. As you can see, a bit of green out there, but also a lot of red in the positions. So we can kind of scroll through a little bit to show today. I won't dive in too deep. Brookfield Renewables, we're in the green today. BTC.Y is up. That one is very volatile lately, but that will pay the regular dividends. And when the dividends come through, I'll just roll those into another share. Haven't added any big chunks to that position lately. CMC is nothing happening today. Flat is probably a good thing considering this market. ETC, that's the Bitcoin and Ethereum index, or not an index, but Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. Down a little bit today. Greenlane Renewables down in the red as well, but REI doing okay, up a little bit, so we'll take that as a good thing. TransAlta Renewables up 0.23%. That's okay, happy with that. But as you can see, lots of green going forward. Solar Alliance Energy is down today a little bit. Slate Office REIT down a little bit. Telus, the channel favorite, is even down. So if you're looking at Telus, might be an opportunity. It's under $30 right now, not too bad. The problem is having the money to put in and not going all in on this. It's nice to have some savings on the side, absolutely. VDY, this is the one I'm going to be adding to next. The plan is for in September to add 2 shares of VDY. Those are their monthly dividends coming in through there, so I'm happy with that one. We will add 2 shares to that probably in the next couple weeks. And then VFV, 92.90 today. That was the one I purchased on Friday. Let's just go through. We'll show you how the portfolio is doing in general. And you can see a lot of red here, down 1.63% today. But if you see the graph there, we actually started off, the day was actually looking like it was going to be actually okay over those from the past couple days on the market, but I guess not so much. But again, the way things are happening, anything can probably change, and I wouldn't be surprised. Nothing would surprise me anymore if we turn into the green this afternoon. Hard to know. It's still very early. It's about 8:30 when I'm filming this video. But on the week, down 2.91%, $305.09. We're still over that $10,000 mark, which is a nice kind of like psychological thing, which is good so far. But in the past month, down 1.21%. So we're kind of losing those gains that we made back, unfortunately, but that's just the way things roll. Down past 3 months, 5.67%, $611.94. The past year though, here we go, 13.29%. This is a lot of we were down here before. If you've been following the channel, we were down and we did gain a little bit back up, obviously a dollar cost averaging into my positions. But we're back there. So all-time though, 12.53%, 12.54. As you see, it's changing, $1,459.10. So not too bad. I'm still happy with the way the portfolio is going. I think we're going to be in for a bit of a rocky ride the next little bit. So be smart out there. Don't put all of your eggs in any type of investment, because I don't think it's necessarily, personally, I don't know if it's the time to go all in on anything. We're just going to be slowly dollar cost averaging. We'll see how things go. Chances are in a couple of years, we'll all be wishing that we purchase more at these prices. That's how it always goes. Such an emotional roller coaster is the market. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below how your portfolio is doing. It's always interesting to see what people are doing, what you're buying, maybe what you're selling, how you're feeling with the market right now. It's definitely a rocky time. I said it more than a few times. So be smart out there, do your research. Again, not a financial planner. Make sure you do research anything that you're investing in. Be safe, and hopefully we all get a little bit of green in the coming weeks ahead. We'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. Thanks for watching, everybody. One last note before I go, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so that's I very much appreciate it. I think for everybody that follows along, love getting the comments to all the videos. I do read all the comments, try to get back to everybody. Much appreciated. Almost 1,000 since the portfolio is dropping, maybe the subscribers are going up. So pretty happy about that. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.